Welcome to 133 Nobility Drive. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, triplex patio home with a 1-car garage, fenced backyard, and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Regency Park neighborhood in Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to the Harbison area, dining and shopping, as well as I-26 and I-20, and just a quick commute to downtown, and also easily accessible to Riverbank Zoo and other area amenities. So we're outside. You have a 2-car wide driveway leading up to the 1-car garage, and then concrete walkway leading up here to the front entry, which is covered. Is a shallow covering, but it gives you a little bit of protection from rain as you either come in the front door or try to get out of it. So you enter the home into the small foyer, and you can see you have some wood look vinyl flooring that is throughout starts here at the entry and continues into the main living space and the small sort of hallway into the bathroom there as well. You have 2 bedrooms off of the entry. We'll go ahead and take a look at those now. Here's one of those 2. They both face the front of the property. One of those does connect to, well, actually, no, it does not. Typically in these, you have one that connects to a bathroom, but this one has just the closet in here. And on the other side, you have the same setup with the window looking out front. This one has sort of 2 closets side by side with bifold doors. You have neutral paint coloring throughout, and then on the small sort of alcove or offshoot over here, you have your washer and dryer connections in the laundry closet, and then also your full bathroom that those 2 bedrooms off the entry share, and also will function as sort of your guest bedroom that's accessible from the living area. So you have a granite countertops on the single vanity, and of course the shower and tub in there. And then you have a nice open floor plan living and kitchen area, as well as dining. So you can see you have space for all those things here. There's a coat closet as you enter here as well. But the living and dining area are open to the kitchen, which is a wide galley style kitchen. And you have, again, the granite countertops, as well as nice wood cabinets and black appliances in here. You have the full set with the dishwasher, above range microwave, smooth top electric stove, and the refrigerator side by side here in the corner, as well as a pantry for some extra food storage. And then this door accesses both our outdoor space and the garage space of the home. So you have a covered patio back here, which is really nice, and also of course access to the backyard. You have a nice wide gate off of that accesses the space between this and the next building, so you can see a nice size backyard, a lot larger than what you normally have standard in these patio homes. This is sort of a upgraded model where you have the, of course, garage and seems like an extra bedroom and more outdoor space. And I apologize about the lack of light in here. Again, this is the 1-car garage, so you can just sort of see the shape and size of it. There's a smaller mid-sized SUV parked inside right now for some scale, but it is nice to have covered and protected parking. Keep in mind that you do not access that off the main. From the main inside of the house, you do have to come outside to access that, but the access is covered, so that's sort of important as well if you're bringing a bunch of stuff in and you have bad weather outside. And then last but not least in the space, we have the master bedroom or owner suite, and it's at the back of the home. You can see it's a larger size room than the other 2, and of course has a walk-in closet, which is nice sized. Attic access hatch up there, not sure if there may be storage or not. And then of course your full bathroom in the master, which has the similar setup to the one off the entry or near the living room, with a single vanity, granite countertop, and shower and tub. So that completes our tour of this home at 133 Nobility Drive. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.